Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some new tasks that they have on the Dress to Impress weekly update. So they've actually made daily tasks way easier. It used to be like you have to duo and you have to like place podium. But now, as you can see, these are so easy to do. Save 4 colors to your palette, easy. Give 20 stars instead of receiving 20, easy. Use Lana's nail station for 2 rounds, super easy. Beat the dance floor, that's also easy. So I feel like now you can complete daily tasks even like easier. So here I'll show you. Save 4 colors to my palette. I'm just going to get something random here, and then I want, for instance, this orange. I'm just going to add that, and then this blue color, it could just be random, just randomly, and then boom, that's it. Wow. Thank you, Dress to Impress, for making daily quests way easier. I know not a lot of people are able to duo, or sometimes the votes are unfair, that it's a little bit hard to place podium. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.